Hi. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you some of the easiest ways people are making money using just Canva. Stay tuned to the end and I'll explain the steps on how you can copy their methods and do it yourself. If you find this video useful, feel free to smash the like button and subscribe with the notifications turned on to get the next latest video. So let's get straight into the video. Firstly, head over to Fiverr.com. If you are new here, you can create an account by clicking Join. All you have to do is to sign up with your email, or you can also sign up using your Facebook, Google or Apple account. Once you're done creating your account, head over to Fiverr homepage and type Canva. Here you can see all the services people are offering which is related to Canva. If we take a look at this one with 314 reviews, it says I will create editable social media posts and ads using Canva. So let's take a look. This package includes social media posts. So he creates post design for Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, or Twitter. These posts are all done using Canva. He charged $30 for the basic package. And for the premium package, he will create 18 to 20 diamond editable designs or social media posts using Canva for $100 for the service. Here we can see the type of designs he makes. He does editable templates for social media posts. And he has a 5-star rating for his services, so there's clearly demand for this service. If we do some quick math, assuming that he has at least 6 orders, and all are for the basic package. 6 orders times $30, this guy is going to receive $180. You can do that from just using Canva and promoting your services on Fiverr. If all these orders were for the premium package at $100, this guy is going to receive $600 directly into his account. You can see the possibility in that, because this is actual supply and demand. There is another person who says he will create Canva Instagram templates for a beautiful feed. This person has 12 orders in the queue, and he is charging $50 for 6 custom-made templates. With that, he is expected to make $600. He can charge even more for the premium service. If he will create 12 social media posts, he will earn up to $840. Okay, do you get the idea? So how are they doing these simple tasks to earn such money? As you can see, they are designing social media graphics for businesses or personal use. This person is clearly good at what he does, because you can see that he has 574 5-star reviews for his service. Of course, your results may vary depending on your work ethic skills and application of these skills. However, you can easily learn these skills. As an example for the video, I'll show you exactly how to make an Instagram post in Canva just like this gig, and you can sell them on Fiverr. So let's head over to canva.com. Select Instagram post, or create a new design that's 1080 by 1080 pixels. We'll just create a square post as an example. On the left-hand side we have these tabs where we can put the design together. The top one is templates, where you can get hundreds of pre-made templates. The design will largely depend on what the client wants. So for this tutorial, let's assume that a restaurant owner wants some posts to promote his or her business on Instagram. There are some good templates, but I'll just create one from scratch to show you how easy it is. Firstly, we want to choose a background image. I already uploaded some images for this video. So I'll click on Photos and select this background picture. Now I'm just going to make few adjustments with the image. Next, we have to select the picture of a roasted chicken. Normally the client will supply these images to you. Once you've found the one you like, you can click on the image and it will be added to the middle of the page. Let's add the roasted chicken image and adjust the size and its position. That looks good to me. For the next step, we can add some eye-catching texts on top of the pictures. To add text, click on the Text tab on the left-hand side and select any of these pre-made font combinations. Let's add and work with few of these fonts to create something nice for the customers. You can resize it by clicking and dragging in the corners, and then double-click the text to edit it. I'm just going to create some of these texts. You might also want to do is add your website URL for brand awareness. It's also good in case anyone tries to steal your image. You can also add the restaurant's logo on the top of the post. To upload your logo, click on the Uploads tab here and upload the media. This will be the client's logo. For this video I'll just add a random logo which I already uploaded. Now I'll just position it at the top. If you want to make more posts, just click on Add Page to create another blank page in this project. And you'll go through the same process. I don't want to make this video too long, so I just came up with this one, but not the greatest. I'm sure you can come up with better designs than this. After this is done, all you can do is to send it to your client. Keep in mind that your clients will also have some requests in terms of colors and the general look. Therefore, you may have to adhere to some brand guidelines. Most of the time the clients are paying to save them time, and you are providing a service to do that. Once you've finished making your design, just click Download in the top right-hand corner to download the images and send to your clients via Fiverr. Again, I'm just sharing ideas about what people are doing in the world to make money. In this case, you'll be using Fiverr to sell your design services using Canva. There are plenty of other opportunities out there, so it's good to keep up to date with the latest ideas and execute on the ones you want to do. If you find this video useful or interesting, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.